welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you're seeing me for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, leave video suggestions in the comment section if you like. And if you're not a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. Don't forget to like this video and also share this video. So in today's video, I am going to teach you guys how to make chebe powder and fenugreek hair butter. You can also use this as a deep conditioner for your hair. And if you've not seen my previous video on this chebe powder and fenugreek hair butter, I'm going to link it in the description box or somewhere up here. This is like an updated version of that video because what I did in that video is totally different from what I am doing in this video. I think after watching this video, you should go ahead and watch that one and compare and see if you like this one better or you like that one better. But before I start, I'm going to give my review of this particular hair butter. I prefer this one to that one because this one is lighter, this one is lightweight, and that one was very thick. And this one suits my hair because I have a very thick hair, and when I use lightweight products, they penetrate into my hair faster compared to when I use thick hair products. So I think I like this one better. Once you finish watching this video, go ahead and watch that video. I am going to link it in the description box. And without wasting time, let me not talk too much, let's get straight into this video. The first and most important ingredient you need is fenugreek seed or fenugreek powder. And the next thing is your chebe powder. You don't need any specific amount. You can use a bigger amount or a smaller amount depending on the amount of chebe powder you have. And then the next thing I'm going to do right now is to try to infuse this fenugreek powder and also this chebe powder because I don't want to put them directly into the hair butter. I am using coconut oil to infuse the fenugreek seed, and then I'm using 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and I'm using karkar oil to infuse this chebe powder. So the next thing I'm going to do after that is to stir, and then I'll go ahead to double boil this for a few minutes. You can double boil for about 20 minutes or 30 minutes depending on how much time you want to, but make sure you double boil on low heat. And after double boiling, I'm going to leave this to sit for at least 24 hours. I left mine to sit for 48 hours before using it. This is what it looks like 48 hours later, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and strain this using a cheesecloth, or you can use any handkerchief or whatever you have to strain this. And after that, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So now I've mixed both the oils together, the chebe oil and the fenugreek infused oil. I mixed them together into this bowl. Now the next step is to melt all my butters, and I'm going to differentiate these. I'm going to do the water phase different and the oil phase different. I'm going to explain what I mean later on. So in this large bowl, I'm going to put all my butters. I'm using shea butter. I'm also going to add cocoa butter. And the last butter I'm going to use here is mango butter. These are the 3 butters I have currently at home. You can use any one you have, but I decided to use these 3 because I have them at home. Now note, if you don't have mango butter and cocoa butter at home and you have only shea butter, you can use it alone. But if you have 3 of them or have 2 of them, you can use any one you have. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my cetyl alcohol. I am using 1 tablespoon of cetyl alcohol, and after that I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of e-wax. This is going to help me combine the water and the oils together. Now you're going to add all the oils you want to use for this hair butter into this mixture, and I'm using castor oil and coconut oil. If you have any other oil at home, you can use them as well. If you have grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, any type of oil you have at home can do the work. I decided to use coconut oil and castor oil for this particular hair butter. Now I'm adding my chebe powder and fenugreek infused oil, and note, please don't overuse the oil. Don't add more than 2 tablespoons of oil. And now the next thing I'm going to do is to add my glycerin into my water. So So once you're done melting the butters, you're going to pour the oil mixture into the water. Note, don't pour the water into the oil, pour the oil and melted butter mixture into the water, and then go ahead and mix it with any mixer you have. If you have any hand mixer or hand blender, whatever you have, use it to whip it up a little bit to combine every single thing together. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to leave this to cool for a few minutes. You can put it in the fridge or whatever, the freezer. I left mine to cool down for about 20 minutes, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and whip it up a little bit again with my mixer, and I'll come back to show you guys what it looks like. Now, after whipping it up, I'm going to go ahead to add my essential oils. I'm adding orange essential oil, and the next oil I'm going to add is my lavender essential oil, and the last essential oil I'm going to use is peppermint oil. I love peppermint oil. I love that minty feeling it gives. And last but not the least, I'm adding my preservative. Make sure to add preservative to any homemade product you are making, and I'm giving it a final stir, and that's it for the hair butter. Okay guys, this is the final product. I love how this turned out, and I like the consistency because it is very light. I love using lightweight products on my hair, and it smells amazing because of the orange oil and the lavender oil. So go ahead and try this out. I'm going to apply this to my hair right now, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, my hair is very dry, and my hair is full. I'm going to apply this to my hair to help moisturize my hair, and because it is lightweight, it is going to penetrate into my hair faster, and it's going to weigh down my hair, which I like. I hate having so much hair, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this video. I am having fun playing around with my relaxed hair, and all these DIY products are budget friendly. You need to spend a whole lot of money buying hair products, and they work just fine for me. As you can see the length of my hair, I have not been using any expensive products. In fact, the highest and most expensive product I have used on my hair is my ORS shampoo, ORS aloe vera shampoo. That's like the most expensive product I've used on my hair. All this while I've been using DIY products, and as you can see my hair is very full and thick and long. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.